Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a weekly vlog. Today is Tuesday and it's what, 4 p.m? Oh my god, it's 4:14 p.m. Ooh, I gotta go. And we just got to our resort. I want to say hotel because it says hotel, but this is a resort, man. We just got to Cabo. I am so excited to be here with Fresh. They only launch a few products a year, but they are going to be launching something exciting, and that is why we are here in Cabo. Dan's here with me, and we just got to our room. Listen, we were walking on the way from the bus that dropped us off, and I dropped this camera, my vlog camera, and the lens got smushed in. So it's a little bit zoomed in, and I don't know if it's going to last the entire week, and if not, well then. But I just have to show you guys the room and the view. It is wild. We're staying at the Esperanza, Cabo San Lucas. This is our own little balcony with a friggin' hammock. This is the view. Can you believe? Are we in a dream? And this is our room. Look at this. Look at this bed. It is so gorgeous. What are your thoughts, Dan?
So nice. So nice.
They put a friggin' cult Gaia purse here. I'm so excited. I've never actually like touched one of these before. This is absolutely stunning. So we're gonna be here for 3 nights and figured we would take you guys along on the little fresh adventure here in Cabo and hopefully eat lots of guacamole. Morning, it's 10 a.m. now. We had an 8 a.m. yoga session on the beach with Fresh. It was so beautiful. They laid out yoga mats and we just did like a 45-minute stretching yoga. It was absolutely wonderful. And then we had breakfast on the beach, and the setup they had was just, it's so unique. Like, I love this beachy vibe. I feel like I could live on a beach for my life. It's just absolutely lovely. So now we just have a little bit of free time before lunch and the learning session on the Dream face cream, and I'm just gonna go tan and chill. So just thought I'd give you guys a hello. Hello from me and my burn. All right, let me hide that tag there. Yeah, so this happened today. Yeah, I don't really know what to say about this except that it's very clear where I wiped the sunscreen on my face today, and I only went outside for an hour and this happened. So bear with me. We're gonna be covering this tonight because we have the dinner with Fresh tonight. I don't remember how much I said yesterday in the vlog, but basically we're in Cabo with Fresh. They've launched a new night cream and a couple of new products that are coming out in February. We've gotten a sneak peek of. I'll show you guys more later, but today we basically got to sit in a room and hear from Leah and Alina, the founders of Fresh themselves, and they told us all about the new products, which is so exciting. Leah and Alina are wonderful. I hope to be able to film with them one day and you guys can have the pleasure of listening to them talk to, because it's really contagious. They're so passionate about Fresh, obviously, and everything that they do, and I absolutely love hearing from the founders and the people behind the brand. I think it's really beneficial. And excuse you, sorry, I'm just taking my foundation. I'm gonna try and cover this thing right now. Anyway, you guys know how much I love Fresh. Their products are incredible, and I've been using them for years and years and years, since the beginning of my YouTube world, and I just feel so grateful to be here with them. I love the whole team. Oh my god, look at that. Whoa. I love the Fresh team. They're such a wonderful group of people, and they really are just so thoughtful in the trips and the things that they put on. It's so in line with their brand and the products that they launch. It's just lovely. Anywho, tonight we're going to a Flora Gardens restaurant, I believe, and it's going to be the big dinner event of the trip. So I just wanted to see if I could cover this because I freaking bought a white off-the-shoulder jumpsuit. So this bright ass red burn is just gonna be right at the forefront. I'm thrilled. Yeah, so that's fun and exciting. Don't go in the sun, kids, without sunscreen. Dan and I completely forgot our sunscreen, and Fresh has their little face sunscreen sticks, which are so cute. They come with a little pair of sunglasses on them, and I put that on my face and just rubbed it down my neck. And then just because we've been in the sun so much, like, I didn't burn once in the Dominican Republic when we were there for an entire week. So I just didn't even think, like, we had 1 hour free between like the breakfast activity and lunch. and I went out and sat by the pool, and I just can't believe the extent of this burn after I was just basking in the sun already and I didn't burn at all. Oh my god, there must be something different with the Mexico sun versus the Dominican sun, because I don't know what happened. But anyway, I'm putting on the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Based on the feedback from you guys, a lot of you said that you didn't enjoy vlogs. I know a lot of you don't watch vlogs and that you are here for the makeup content, so I think that what I'm gonna try and do is at least incorporate some bits of makeup or beauty or some point to every weekly vlog that I post. So right now, I mean, we're in Cabo with Fresh, which is fun and exciting, but I'll always try and show you guys like what I'm putting on my face and what I'm wearing and making it a little bit more informational product-wise anyway. So let me know your thoughts, always, in the comments down below. I'm putting on Kevin Aquan medium sculpting powder, always. I'm using Becca Opal. I haven't pulled this bad boy out in a while, but strongly reminded right now as to why I loved this so much. I haven't used it in a while, but damn. Damn, she's a beaut. I'm gonna use this Tata Harper Very Charming cheek tint. I'm so obsessed with this thing. Dan and I filmed a little Instagram video putting this on my like cheeks, eyelids, and lips just because I'm so in love with it. And I've been really loving like putting the blush across my nose because that is where you like tan naturally. That's where the sun hits. So I feel like adding a little bit of color there is very true to receiving color in real life. I was gonna wear a red lipstick, but now I'm scared that if I put a red lipstick on, it's gonna highlight my burn even more. I feel like I need to change my outfit plan. I didn't even bring an eyeliner or anything. What was I doing? Meow. Well, hello, hot stuff. Guys, I just put on MAC Strip Down Lip Pencil. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the lips because I'm so burnt. I wanted to wear a bright red lip, but I think it's not gonna happen. Maybe I'll put on this. Oh, I did just use this in a video, didn't I? Sorry, the Bobbi Brown Bare Blackberry. They're little new lip tints. I'm obsessed with these. Oh my god, if I had food in my teeth this whole time. If I have, I'm so sorry. There's nothing to be done about that now. Oh my god. I'm gonna put on some Lancome Monsieur Big mascara. I can't believe I didn't pack eyeliner or eyeshadow. Like, it's fine, we're at a beachy location, but I wanted to put a little something on for the evening. Okay, I'm gonna put my earrings on. I don't remember where I bought these. I feel like it was that Awoke vintage place in Brooklyn. I feel like anytime I have vlogged my adventure in New York, I've always gone to Awoke Vintage. I think that's what it's called. Oh my god. That's where I bought like almost all of my big dangly earrings. Awoke Vintage in Brooklyn, and then Zara. Those are my favorite places to buy earrings. We're going to New York again this next week. We leave on Sunday. When you guys will be seeing this vlog. We're going Sunday morning. We have some meetings in New York, and we're going for 3 nights. And I plan on revisiting Awoke Vintage and seeing what new earrings they have in store, because they always have the best, like, cool little local designers. I love their stuff. Okay, I'm gonna put my jumpsuit on and a necklace that will hopefully distract from this, and I'll show you guys the finished look. This is the finished look. I just took my hair out of its pony, and it's hella frizztastic. And this is the outfit, which I'm so strongly regretting because I'm busting out of it quite legitimately. And then I put on some heels, y'all. Let's go to dinner. Look at Dan. You're so handsome, love. Oh, wow. That sunset, though. How beautiful. Just like you. So it's our final night here in Cabo with Fresh. We're headed to our last dinner. I'll show you guys. Everything I'm wearing is super old. This is a top I cut up and tied together from Aritzia, and these pants are very old from Aritzia as well. And then on my lips, I'm wearing the Givency Le Rouge Matte number 329. And my hair is just... it's not cooperating with me. It's not staying nice and big and fluffy, but we're headed to the last beach dinner of the night, the sunset dinner on the beach, and I'm so sad to leave. It's been so wonderful here. Oh, this morning we had a little like dreamy sleep and breathing session, and they had 2 people come and teach us about breathing, and then we actually made dream catchers, which was really cute. I was so excited to learn how to make that, and I hung it above the bed to take a pic, which I haven't done yet. I need to do before we leave, but I thought that was so adorable, and it was kind of all just to go with the theme of the new dream cream. And Dan, my sweet, we gotta go! This is the finished look. I just took my hair out of its pony, and it's hella frizz-tastic. And this is the outfit, which I'm so strongly regretting because I'm busting out of it quite legitimately. And then I put on some heels, y'all. Let's go to dinner.
Lemonade.
Dan.